is Lohse from Early Learning Preschool. I was just practicing folding paper. Do you know folding paper can make your hand and finger muscles stronger? That can help with writing. I know what today's activity can be. We're going to listen and follow directions and practice folding paper. You'll need a stack of paper. It can be printer or line paper, and you'll need a flat surface to fold on. Get your paper. Let's practice folding.
Go ahead and put one piece of paper in front of you. If you notice, my paper has colors on it. Green for the short side and red for the long side. Your paper does not need color to do this activity. So we're going to learn how to fold our paper two different ways. For the first way, you want to have the paper the long way. So that means the long part of your paper is at the bottom and at the top. You're going to take your thumb and your index finger and you're going to hold one side of your paper. Then you're going to take your thumb and index finger and you're going to pinch the other side. You're going to take the ones that's pinched and bring it over. Let's try that again. Pinch the paper and bring it over. Pinch the paper and bring it over. Next, you're going to slide your thumb and your index finger out and hold both sides together. Then you're going to slide your hand and push on your paper. You just folded your paper. Let's check it out. Do you see this line right here? That is called a crease. If you don't see a line, then you need to refold and push harder. Let's try it again. This time, have your paper, the short side, being on the bottom and top. You're going to take your thumb and your index finger and you're going to hold one side of the paper. Then you're going to take your thumb and index finger and you're going to pinch the other side. You're going to bring it over. Practice that again. Bring it over. One more time. Bring it over. Then you're going to slide your thumb and index finger out to hold the two ends together while you slide your hand and fold the paper, making that crease. Remember to push down so when you open it, we can see the line in the middle. That's the first way to fold your paper. But there's another way you can fold your paper. Like before, we're going to have the long side on the bottom and on the top. You're going to take your thumb and index finger on both hands and you're going to pinch the sides of your paper. Now you have to guess where the middle of your paper is. The middle would not be up here. That's the top. It wouldn't be down here. That's the bottom. The middle would be somewhere over around here. Position your fingers. You're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it over your index fingers. Let's try it again. Pinch the paper, fold it over your index fingers. Try it one more time. Pinch the paper, fold it over the index fingers. Then you're going to run your fingers down at the bottom to fold that paper and you're going to push down to make. There's our line. If you don't see that line, that means you need to push harder down. Let's try it again. This time we're going to have the short side on the bottom and on the top. you're going to take your thumb and your index finger and you're going to pinch the sides in the middle of your paper. And you're going to fold up over your index finger. Try again. Fold up. One more time. Fold up. Then you're going to run your fingers down at the bottom. Make sure you push hard to make that crease.
Now that we have all this folded paper, what's something fun we can do with it? Join me next time for another fun folding paper activity. Bye!